and 99% of you do not know about it. Hey, welcome to my channel. What they don't teach you in schools, and most of the schools and colleges, right? Last 1 year, the number of discussions and debates the faculty has about using AI in for the students, it's haywire. And this to pro faculty what they should be doing with the students, whether they should be allowing them to use chat or whether they should learn to code, learn about finance, learn about language, learn about cooking, for that matter, learn anything. So these are five simple prompts. Just copy paste the step by step process. Learn a new skill. So this is the prompt you need to use. And you can edit the prompt. I'll be sharing you this particular prompt. The discover learn ab- I want to learn about application. Okay. I also need to tell okay. Let me just correct my spellings. If you don't want to correct the spellings, you can keep as it is. So don't create a step by step to master it. And so what we have done next time, I want to just understand to break it about coding. Now create a step by step. Now one point is missing. I is or who she is. So please applications. You also have now just see the magic. This is the magic. Guide you like list of functions. Day 11 to 15. Now over here, what I need to do. These are the YouTube videos and these are the films. So I can go to this YouTube video and watch it. This particular Python fundamentals. Then exercises. Print your name 5 times. Create a program that adds two numbers. Check if the number is even or odd. Loop from 1 to then 6 to 10. Simple quiz. And then polish debug your app package using Bulldozer for Android. Add splash screens and icons and complete Python test hacker Python certification test down. So this is a free trial. I can get the certifications. Practice routine 20 minutes, watch 1 or 2 videos, 20 minutes hand on coding, 10 minutes, solve 2 to 3 minutes. Think how you can learn anything. In case if you want to debug this to more extent, you can still. This is so. Now let's see the motion board. So this is the motion board it has created. Let's see what it gives us. No, I'm not taking prompt. This is where I'm going to teach you using ChatGPT for role play. Practice conversations new and always write. And I need help. I need help improving in my specific. So let's say you type about sales communication skills, scenarios, as you reply and respond. Now this is generic way to ask to help. If I am more specific, what I'll write is sales communication skills. But okay, so I'll first need to give a context. It is specific. Okay, 2000, yeah. So I'm saying 2000 bedded hospital chain. Second is their tech applications, cloud environment. So picture and let's now I've given to speak with women. We are in early stages. So I will share what we are facing. I really don't know what I should be asking. Okay. So please this is addressed as else to ask. So great. So understanding the current. So can you walk me through your current IT and server infrastructure? Are your applications currently hosted on premise or some already in the cloud? What are the major systems you are running? Identifying pain points and challenges. What challenges are you currently facing with the existing infrastructure? Have you experienced any downtime, latency, or security concerns, including goals and timelines, understanding stakeholders and decision making? Budget and ROI expectations. Sample, thank you, Mr. Mehta. Before we could explore any solution, I would like to understand your current setup and what's driving this move to the cloud. That way, I can make sure we are aligned and only talk about what's to. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to learn. Now the third part is how can we make, so this is pretty simple. It's to start integrating. I also so over here I'll say that you need to be specific. More specific you are, it will be more helpful. But if you are this is still to some extent specific weight you're carrying on, could you tell me what's been happening recently at work? Especially heavy is the pressure, so how is this affecting other parts of life? Pressure affecting your sleep, period work, what do reframing? And these are like grounding exercise, anxiety rises, 5 things you see. That's 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can test. So write everything on your mind, no filter. Afterwards, circle what's within your control and what's not. This helps reduce on what you can actually do. Connections, speak, share, and seek help. So that's why I told WhatsApp is a university. You just need to know how to use it. Most of the people really don't know how to use it. So when you are doing any research, again, research needs to be specific. Still, generic is beyond what you can think about. So I need to write about a topic. Let's start about a topic: civilization, history of civilize. Okay, Indus civilization. Okay, and when you have to write about it below. So this is a disc. Now I can also ask. So now and we will use this here. Now, as we know earlier version, we don't get enough number of URLs over here. But what I can do is I will paste this entire URLs and I will move to and I will paste it and let's get the magic done. It will give me the URL searching for academic and then it is sourcing for all the information pro search. So these are the list and it is searching for everything. It will now list down all those URLs and I can directly use it. So there is a mix and match that we have to do. As you can see over here, another prototype. I haven't given a prompt right now. So that's why see over here, Indus Valley, Mestomania, and then this is where you get the links. These are the links. And publicly, the links are easily trackable. See over here. You can start seeing those links. And see over here, so 13 tasks. So these are the tasks that it has performed. And this is how it has delivered you the information. And now let's move on to the fourth part. In the fourth part, we can learn about general knowledge powerhouse. So over here you can ask in and now it's concept. So concept of and so what is Big Bang theory? You know, what does it have to do with humans? It was mostly hydrogen helium. And misconception of Big Bang was an explosion. It was no, it was an explosion of space itself. There's no center of universe because time didn't exist yet. That's really hard concept for human brain to process, but it's the cosmic background. This is the what so it's a nonsense. Space expert, time having a beginning, scaling. Where there is it's easy to watch. So I can ask couple of video links and it will see explained on YouTube. Now this particular thing I can go on YouTube and I can watch it. It's not currently available on this device. This is interesting. I came across a YouTube link available on this. So let's see where this is an ask. So somehow because of the different platforms, OpenAI, ChatGPT, while YouTube belongs to Google, there is a particular problem. While we can see this video on NASA, but ChatGPT does not throw us directly. Maybe some issue. Coming back to our core point about and why ChatGPT with the with the influx of lot of AI that is happening in the market, what you need to think is how do you use AI as an assistant? AI is a researcher as I showed you in some of those prompts, you can use AI to learn everything. You can excel at a lot of things. You don't need to do Google search to find out something. AI is doing those research on you. Start using AI. Not use AI about people who know how to use AI tools to deliver more than people who do not know